What's up everyone? If you have watched Tu Yaa Main, you already know that the opening title sequence hits different. It's cinematic, it's aggressive, and it's exactly the kind of motion design that makes people pause and rewind. If you are a complete beginner, do not worry. Today we are recreating that entire effect inside Adobe After Effects. No third-party plugins, no paid presets, just the tools already built into After Effects. By the end of this video, you will have a fully working title animation you can drop into any project. Let's break it down. Already After Effects is open. First thing, we will create new composition and we will write the name of this composition. We will write it Tu Yaa Main, and we will set the width and height 90-20 by 1010, and duration will be around 20. Then hit OK. Then write the text Tu Yaa Main. Now we will center this text. Now we will go to effects and we will search Venetian blinds and we will apply on it. First we will change the color of text. So we will change the color of Tu will be around dark red, and of the main will be the same dark red. Now we will go to effect and we will change width around 15 and transition will be 50 and direction will be 90. You can see the same text effect. Now what will we do? We will pre-compose it. We will change the name Tu Yaa Main text, then hit OK. Now we will go into Tu Yaa Main text and we will change the height of Tu Yaa Main text around around 400, and the width we will 90-20 into 5. So you can see the width is also increased, the width is increased and height is decreased. So go to main Tu Yaa Main composition and we will duplicate Tu Yaa Main 3 times, and we will go to first duplicate, and what will we do? We will change the name of it to 2, then go to second, we will name it Ya, and we will go to third, the name will be Main. Now what will we do? We will go to Tu and mask it, because we only want to show only Tu. Now go to Main and same apply mask on it, only on Main. Now go to Ya and only mask on Ya. Make sure text will be selected and mask on Ya. Only Ya is visible. Now go to main composition again. Now we will remove this and now we will use these Tu Yaa Main text compositions which we masked. So you can see these are on the same position. Now we will pre-compose it and we will change the name of it also, and we will change the name first effect then hit OK. Now what will we do? We will select all the text and then press the P for position, and we will change the position around 200 or -200. So you can see the text is on top on 0 frame. Now we will apply mask on main text, and the mask will be apply on main text around right hand text, and apply mask, and make sure the mask will be apply on whole area of the text, because we increase the width, Now we will do with the same with to apply the mask around right and hand text, and again we will mask whole the text area. Now we will duplicate main and tu, and we will apply 3D on tu and main text, and we will subtract the text which was not 3D, which will not 3D. You can see subtract mask from the not 3D text, and now go to main text and animate this. When on the 6th second apply keyframe, on the 6th second apply the position same, and on the 0 frame position will be out from the frame, and then do the same with 2, but on the 6th frame position will be same. Hit P and apply keyframe, then on the 0 frame position will be out from the frame from left side. Now go to main effect, first effect, and you can see yes, the animation is working. Now we will reposition the anchor point, apply it on mask end point, and we will do same with main text mask. With main text, anchor point will be on the mask starting point here. Now we will press the R and we will position Y rotation around -90 of tu text, -90, and X rotation will be around 12 degree. Now we will apply the same with main text, but here Y rotation will be +90 degree and X rotation will be 12. Now you can see the effect. Yes. Now we want when the tu and main text was coming, so Ya text will not be showing. So when the text tu and main will come, then Ya text will be shown. But we will do around 6 second we will cut the Ya. So we will drag Ya on this location. So you can see Ya is showing now. So when Ya will show, we will showing some effect. So we will go to effects and go to animation preset, then go to text and then go to animate in. Now we will see wipe into center and then apply on Ya text, and you can see the effect. Now play with this effect, press U and you will see the effect which is applied on it. Now go 4th frame, then you will see, you will apply some effect around. You increase start, you increase start and decrease, and you can play with this effect, and after and you will see the best effect which you create. Now you can see the effect. Now what we want up around 7 seconds text will be come on the center. So what will we do? We will apply key with the help of watching icons and go one key around and go on the 7 second position will be text 540, which is the center point of the text. So you can see yes. Now what we want when the text will be on center, then text will be reflect around 5 times. So what will we do? We will go to Tu Yaa Main text and copy it, then go to main Tu Yaa Main composition and paste here and recompose it and change the name effect to, this will be our second effect, text effect. So go into text effect 2 and center this text. Now duplicate this text 4 times with the help of Ctrl D. And position one text on the top and one text into the bottom, and select all the text and distribute it. Go to align and distribute. Now what will we do? When the text of the first effect will be on center, then this effect will be shown. So what will we do? Around 7 seconds the first effect will be end. Now our second effect will be start. So we will drag here. So you can see when the first effect will end, then second effect will be start, and we will delete first effect after 7 seconds, and our second effect will be showing up yes after first effect. Now what we want this effect. So what will we do? We will select all text, press P for position and go around 2 seconds and position it 540. On the 2 second position will be same, and on the 0 second or 0 frame position will be 540. Means all text will be in the center. You can see. Now we will apply glow. Go to effects and write glow we will apply glow on the middle text first. You can see the glow is showing. Now we will do on the 0 second or 0 frame, glow will not showing, and around 1 or 2 frame glow will show, then around 1 and 2 frame glow will not showing. You can change the effect accordingly. I am doing according to me. Then apply this effect on all the text. After some frames, after applying the glow text on all text, now what we will do, we will change Tu Yaa Main English to Hindi. We will start from end or bottom text. We will cut this text around 5 seconds with the help of Ctrl+Shift+D and write the Hindi font, and we will change the color of Ya, which will be white, and then align it center. Now we will apply glow effect on it. You can copy and paste from the English font, or you can again apply the effect. It's up to you. I am copy pasting. Now we will do the same thing with all the text, English to Hindi. After doing this, you will see the main magic. I am doing it fast. I think you understand this, or you are learning this properly. If you have any question, any doubt, you can comment me. I will definitely reply. Now you can see the magic. If you like this video, hit the like button. Share with your friends who want to learn motion design, who want to learn After Effects, text animation, motion effects, and subscribe this channel. This will help to grow this channel. Thank you so much.